What's up guys, your boy Big A here coming at you. So I'm here at a Target, and as you can see, there's nothing new on the pegs for Targets. Same old same on the 5-packs, and looks like it's the same for these 9-packs and 20-packs. Down here they have some sets. Check that out. That Mario Kart one is pretty cool, and then there's this one here. Pretty cool. Over here they have some Monster Jam sets. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is new. Check that out. It's pretty cool. It's got all the Bigfoots in there. It's $19.99. This one is really cool, man. And looks like they have another one back there. Pretty cool. Check this out. They have these exclusives, Monster Jam. So here we have the Grave Digger and the Savage Digger. Pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna swing around. So they have lots of Tech Deck, some Fast and Furious, some Hypercars, Micro Machines, nothing new. And they have some of these haulers. So this one's cool. This one has the M&M theme. This one has the Hooters theme. And this one has the Skittles theme. Pretty cool. And last but not least, this has the Daytona, featuring William Byron as the driver. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so I took a look over here guys, and I had to snag these really quick because there was another collector here and I didn't want to get beaten to them. This one I already have, so this one's staying here. I'm also leaving that one. So I'm taking this cool Porsche in yellow. I'm taking this other Porsche, pretty cool. I'm also taking this awesome GTR. I'm taking this other Nissan GTR in black. Really cool. Alright guys, gonna move on to the next store. Catch you guys in a bit. What's up guys, so I'm here at this other Target, and as you can see, there's nothing new on the pegs. Looks like same old same on these 9-packs. They put this Max action truck here. And here's some 20-packs, nothing new. I'm still waiting on the new Night Burners. It looks really, really cool. So, not much there. And the set, or some of the cars that were once very sought out for, are now being left behind, as you can see. The ones that they still take are the Lamborghini and the Bugatti. So here we have this. Alright guys, so we have these. And over here, look what we found guys, finally. I've been looking for these for quite some time. Look how cool these are guys. Awesome. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Definitely gonna pick this one up. You guys know me, I love square body trucks. So this is awesome. Definitely gonna take that one. We have the Mercedes, and there's another one. Looks like somebody was here earlier and they took the other sets, because as you can see, there's empty spots right here. And I still haven't been able to find the Nissan Skyline Team Transport set, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure that I'll find it eventually. These I already have. So they also have these sets here. Hot Wheels Mario Kart. Pretty cool. They have some 4-packs, some single packs. Pretty cool. Hot Wheels Mario Kart with parachute. These are pretty cool as well. Don't collect them, just showing you. Here they have some pop culture, Masters of the Universe, some color shifters. And we have these here as well, the Hot Wheels Super Rigs. Pretty cool. Here's a Cybertruck RC car. Pretty cool. Here's some Hot Wheels monster trucks. Pretty cool. Check this one out, guys. This one has the Jurassic Park theme. Pretty cool. There's another one. Looks like it's a full set of these. Check them out. These are pretty new. I haven't seen them before. So there's this one, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. They have this one here, the Indoor Raptor. And this truck's pretty cool. Not bad. Indominus Rex. Let's see, they have this one. This one's pretty cool. I like the color and everything. This is the Velociraptor Blue. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so you know where to find them. Hit your targets. These I've seen around. I'm just not interested. This one must look pretty cool. For sure, the skull glows in the dark for sure. So, pretty cool. Let's see what else we could find, guys. Oh, hold on. Let me put these back before I take off. Let's see. Oops. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Putting stuff away for those that don't. Alright. Remember, guys, always clean up to yourselves. Employees are more inclined to help you out if you make their jobs easier. Remember that. Can't stress that enough. Here's some Monster Jam color changed monster trucks. Looks like they're starting to get some atomic castings as well. Bag warmer. Nothing new on Matchbox. I already have that bug right there. It's pretty cool. I already have it though. Nothing new on these Matchbox 5-packs either. Micro Machines. NASCAR. Green light teams of trucks. Put these down for a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it's all the same, guys. A bunch of peg warmers. Same on the other side. So pretty cool. And let's see, they have some SX Supercross, some Tech Deck. Harley Davidson motorcycle. This Corvette Stingray, pretty cool. Here they have the Batman Forever Batmobile and the Batman figure. Pretty cool. This is new. I haven't seen this one before. Check that out, guys. This is a Spider-Man, Proto suit Spider-Man, and 1941 Ford pickup. I'm really digging the tempo work on it. The truck is actually not bad looking at all. And we have the Avengers, War Machine, and the 2006 Ford Mustang GT. I know Mustang Hunter will probably like that one. Same old these major Porsche sets. There's an exotic set out there with Lamborghinis and stuff. My boy Scorpio Love Smith found them. I don't know how or where, but he got them, and he does races and stuff, so go check him out. Oh, this one's really cool. Check this out, guys. Really digging this car, man. 2021 Ford GT. Check out that deco, man. It's got a nice red interior. This thing is sick, man. Too bad that the packaging is damaged, but this thing is sweet, man. I might pick this one up in the future. You know, I just don't want to take this one because the packaging is really messed up. Anyways, guys, so that's my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. Happy hunting. God bless. Deuces.